This is the Edifier W820NB headphones. Edifier sent me this to review, and well, this is the review. If you're living in Singapore or your delivery address is in Singapore, you are eligible for this product giveaway contest. I'm sorry for my international viewers, we might have an international product giveaway soon enough. Alright, to the review. Right off the bat, this is a portable headphones, one that you can easily chuck into your haversacks, your sling bags, your clutch bags, or even plastic bags. Okay, no, plastic bags are not environmental friendly, so scratch that. The portability is highly due to its size and form factor. The only con that prevents this headphone from being super portable is that it isn't foldable. Yes, it will be nice if it could be folded, only the ear cups can be swiveled in. The Edifier WN240 does not come with any casings, but you can of course get a cheap but good casing off Amazon, something like this one. Links on where to purchase this casing will be found at the description box down below. The construction and build is mostly plastic, but the ear cups feels really premium. I almost mistook it for metal, honestly. And you can't find any metal on the build, but it makes the headphones very light. There are also no smart features on the W820NB. There is an app, however, that lets you adjust the intensity of the noise cancellation as well as changing the mode of the sound quality. For now, there are two modes, the default one as well as the gaming one. I find that the gaming mode sounds much more fun to listen to. It has some boost and the overall presence of the sound quality. It is a shame that the mode is only activated via the mobile app and not anywhere else. This means that you cannot listen to the gaming mode while you are using the Edifier W820 with your laptop or your desktop. So hopefully Edifier releases a Mac or a Windows utility app for this, or have users toggle the modes on the headphones without the app. But the overall sound quality is something that I am not overly fond of. I have my specific taste for tuning and this isn't something I truly enjoy. For me, the mids are alright, but I feel like there is not much bass presence as well as that nice sizzly at the top end, which I enjoy. I was expecting a little bit more soundstage, but those are just my expectations whenever I try on a new pair of headphones. Don't get me wrong though, for its price, this offers a respectable and decent sound quality. And Edifier even throw in noise cancellation too. It's hard to imagine that at this price point, any manufacturer would want to include noise cancellation feature. But then again, if anyone can pull it off, it would be Edifier. They somehow constantly make that element of surprise as part of their branding. So, well done, Edifier. Now, if anyone is wondering how good is the noise cancellation on these headphones, here is a test of how it sounds like in a cafe environment.
Noise reduction on. Ambient sound. Noise reduction on. Noise reduction on. Ambient sound. Noise reduction on.
I did a recording test using these headphones for my Zoom and Teams call, and check out the result. Be silent. Keep your forked tongue behind your teeth. I have not bended through fire and death to bend the crooked words with a witless word. How's that? Be silent. Keep your forked tongue behind your teeth. I have not bended through fire and death
to bandy crooked words with a witless worm. How's that?
So right, the mic quality is bizarre. It's just amazing coming from a Bluetooth headphones and $72 headphone at that. On the whole, I have not seen or tested any decent sounding noise cancellation headphones at this price point. This might just be the only one in its class. If you guys know of any similar price headphones with good audio quality, let me know by leaving your comments down below. I would really like to get hold of one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and hit the bell notification if you enjoyed this video. And as always, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!